Love him or hate him, there's no denying the impact of Elon Musk on our world today. From launching rockets to building electric cars, Musk's tiny yet powerful innovations are changing the way we live, work, and connect. In this video, we'll explore how Musk's vision is driving us towards a more sustainable, interconnected, and prosperous future. Let's start with SpaceX, the company that made headlines by becoming the first private entity to launch astronauts into orbit. SpaceX isn't just about exploring the cosmos. It's about making space more accessible and cost-effective. By introducing reusable rockets like the Falcon 9, SpaceX has slashed costs, allowing more nations and companies to engage in space research. Their Starlink project is boosting connectivity by providing high-speed internet to remote and underserved areas, empowering millions of people with access to education, healthcare, and business opportunities. Next up is Tesla, the company that took electric vehicles mainstream. Tesla isn't just a car company, it's a clean energy powerhouse. With its gigafactories, Tesla is producing advanced batteries that make solar and wind power more viable, reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and fighting climate change. Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy is transforming the automotive industry and beyond. Then there's Neuralink, Musk's most groundbreaking project yet. Neuralink's brain-computer interface aims to merge humans with AI. Imagine people with spinal cord injuries walking again, or neurological disorders like Alzheimer's being cured. Neuralink's tiny implant can record and stimulate brain activity, potentially revolutionizing healthcare and enhancing human cognition. Urban traffic congestion costs billions of dollars in lost productivity every year. The Boring Company, another Musk venture, is easing traffic by building underground tunnels for high-speed travel. By reducing commute times and fuel consumption, these projects are revitalizing urban economies. Elon Musk's ventures are creating a ripple effect across the global economy. SpaceX is enabling new satellite businesses, Tesla is driving clean energy investments, and Neuralink could spark a healthcare revolution. Collectively, these innovations are tackling the world's biggest economic challenges, from climate change to connectivity. Elon Musk's tiny innovations are paving the way for a new era of human progress. So, what do you think? Will these technologies help us solve our biggest challenges? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the future of innovation and economics.